Mr. and Mrs. Rolino Santos. Mr. and Mrs. Salvador Gali. And the last one is Mr. and Mrs. Leo Bataxil. May we ask for the Bible bearer, Sebastian Andrew Gali. And then the ring bearer, Johan Olarcon. Coin bearer, Matthew Santos. Flower girls, Caitlin Mahawan, Gwyneth Olora Nuestro, Angel Maya Alarcon. The candle sponsors, Myra Gali, Rahani Santos, Salvador Gali, support sponsor is Rahani and Nino Santos. Her candle sponsor is Myra Gali and Salvador Gali. Veil sponsors, Melanie Garcia Chua.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the bride. Diana. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the bride, Diana. Princess Diana. May we all stand up. Pastor Wayne de la Cruz and Pastor Amiel Arcelio Manansala.
Of life's most beautiful and sacred moments, the union of two hearts in marriage. You see, my friends, let this light remind you always that together with Christ at the center, your marriage will shine brightly through every season of life. So Roel and Diana, as you light this candle of unity, you bring now shape you. Your lights are distinct, yet they now blend into one stronger, steadier, and brighter. May this flame be a symbol of your love. May its light guide your path. May its warmth fill your home. And may its glow never fade. And when challenges come, may you remember this moment. When two hearts become one light, burning together in the love and grace of our Lord Jesus Christ. We can all
Now the veil sponsors.
see, Ruel and Diana, as the veil is placed over you, it symbolizes unity. That you are now one in the eyes of God. It also represents His covering of love and protection for their marriage. May this veil remind you both to walk together under God's grace, supporting and caring for each other. When in front of our closest loved ones, we vow that our love can overcome all things. That love unites. It inspires and celebrates. And will continue to do so for the rest of our lives. And I gave you this ring to remind you of this day. When in front of our closest loved ones, we vow that our love can overcome all things. That our love unites, inspires, and celebrates, and will continue to do so for the rest of our lives. I think we have come to the last part, right? The final blessing. Okay. We have made this wedding ceremony very short and yet very meaningful. Challenges come. Remember to focus on what is right between you. In this way, you can ride out the storms. And when the clouds hide the sun in your lives, remember, even if you lose sight of it for a moment, the sun is always there. As one wife. You may now kiss your bride. Congratulations, Ruel and Diana, our newly wedded couple.
Excuse me.
I want to see it.